Hi, my name is Stuart and I am a ProtoSpace engagement technician. Where we are right now is a collaborative space. It's a quiet study space underground, Building 7, where you can come in as an individual and utilise our high-powered laptops, which are pre-installed with CAD software and model editing tools such as Materialize Magics, NetFab and SolidWorks. We also have 3D scan manipulation software, which you can use with our 3D scanners here.
Hi, I'm Jon and Abhi. I'm the manager of the UTS ProtoSpace facility. UTS ProtoSpace is an additive manufacturing facility right in the heart of Ultimo in the city of Sydney. Where we have all of UTS's most advanced 3D printing equipment in one location. Our facilities include a wide range of industrial 3D printers, prototype 3D printers which are used and are on the bleeding edge of the technology, and we also have self-use printers that you can use to experiment and learn and develop your own skills. We provide our users access to an expansive range of technology that they can come and use here. For current UTS staff and students, ProtoSpace hosts its own training courses, its own events and hackathons, as well as hosting a wide range of consultation sessions and partnership and development systems where you can come in, develop your solutions with our team and learn as much as you can about the technology and what you can do. If you're interested in finding out any more about UTS ProtoSpace, you can sign up for a tour, join one of our training sessions, or just go to our internal website where all of this information is available to you. Come on down, have a chat to us, and see what you can make a reality.
Hi, so my name is Abhi. I'm the electronics technician here at UTS ProtoSpace, and my job, among other things, is to run the electronics printers that we have. First of which behind me is the Optimec aerosol jet 5-axis. The Optimec works by aerosol jetting nanoparticle inks onto any conformal surface. So it's got a 5-axis head and that allows it to get into any shape or form that you want to print. The second electronics machine that we have here is the Nanodimension Dragonfly LDM. And the way it works is from the ground up, it uses two inks, conductive ink and dielectric ink, to build up a PCB using inkjet technology. Apart from those two manufacturing machines, we also have a complete electronics workshop here at ProtoSpace. So we have complete electronics testing equipment, we have a soldering station, and we also have a reflow station. Once you get inducted on these machines, you're free to come in and use those however you like. We also have an array of passive IC components to help you bring your designs to fruition.